Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Unit 2. Let me sum up. So dear students, in a previous activity number 4, we have discussed some of the exercise and I have sent PDF also, you can see and complete activity number 4. Now let us see activity number 5. In the summary of after 20 years, in activity 4, notice how the detailed sentence help to show how O. Henry expressed his main idea. That in activity number 4 we have already seen, we have already discussed. They tell exactly how O. Henry surprised both the main character and the reader, how we were surprised when we were a reader also surprised and a person who was waiting for, because a person who sent a policeman to catch him, he was no other than but his friend. And we were also surprised that a person who was waiting, a person who came from far distance after 20 years and he caught his friend. Here boxes are given, tables are given. The sentences in the summary that give details how show ways that the author of the source expressed the main idea. In these sentences, the summary that give details show ways that the author of the source who has expressed the main idea. For example, if Shakespeare's theme is the main idea of Romeo and Juliet, the summary's details will be the details that help to create that theme. The detail will help us, the theme will help us in the theme. If a newspaper article's main idea is that India will solve a problem, the details in the summary will be the details that tell how India will solve the problem. The same way, if in a newspaper articles the main idea is that India will solve a problem, the detail in the summary will be given in detail. How India will solve the problem, that will be given in detail. Now look at the details in the summary. The first detail express the background situation and the idea that the characters interact. Here in the first details which is shown here about the situation created and the ideas of the character, how they are interacting. The story begins with a conversation between policeman and a man who is waiting outside a restaurant for a man he hasn't seen in 20 years. Now here two persons who are discussing. A person who is coming after 20 years and he was waiting for his friend. A second person who was also his friend but he was a policeman. But he did not tell that he was the same person to whom he was waiting for. That was shown here into the detail. Second, the theme detail lets you know that the character does not know the police is his friend. Second one, the character who was waiting for, he did not know that the police is his friend. Police is no one else but his friend. And that shows why the reader does not know it either. Even reader also did not know. It was not counsel to reader also. The two discuss the friend that the man is waiting for. In this, one person who was explaining to whom he was waiting and why he was waiting. This every detail he told to the person to whom he was talking. Then the third detail tells what happens in the end and shows how the surprise appeared in the story. And the third detail, the third expression was what happened in the end, at the last what happened. That shows how surprise appeared in the story, how that was surprise happened in the story. So in the first one, it was a background situation that was shown that the story starts and the conversation took place between these two persons. That was the background. Second was the two are discussing and he was not knowing the policeman, he was his friend. And third one, at the end, the policeman, he was very loyal and he sent another policeman to catch his friend. These three things we have seen. Now, in Unit 1, you wrote a sentence telling Mark Twain's main idea in strong desire, wise action. What is it? In this, we have seen in Unit 1, written by Mark Twain, strong desire, wise action. In this, which we have seen, find at least 3 details in the Tom Sawyer's story. Now at least 3 details you can find out, which is given by Tom Sawyer into the book Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, that you can find that help Mark Twain express his main idea. These 3 details you can explain, his main idea also you can explain. Write more details if you think you need them. You can also express the deep. In deep also you can express. In more detail you can explain. This PDF also I will send, okay, so that you can see and you can complete, you can see and you can write. So here at the end of activity 5 we will stop, okay. So thank you very much. We will see later on. Thank you very much. Goodbye.